So here we're going to bisect this particular line segment. Now it's a line segment because it starts here and stops here, so it has a finite length. Okay, so again all we need really is to use our compass, and this is how we go about doing it. We're going to bisect this line. In other words, we're going to cut it exactly in half with a perpendicular bisector. Now a perpendicular bisector is a line that's going to cut across the original line at 90 degrees exactly. Now you don't need a ruler, you just need a straight edge and a compass. So here's how you do it. You set the compass so that it's over half the length of the line segment that you want to cut in half. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. So it's definitely over halfway. And then carefully, if you watch carefully, I'm only going to be touching this arm of the compass now, so I don't change the setting by mistake. So here's how I do it. I go with the point here, and I make an arc here, and I make an arc here. You can make a full semicircle if you want, but it's not necessary. Then I go to the other side of the line segment, the other end, put the compass point smack bang on it. Don't change the setting of the compass, and make a small arc that intersects with the original there and there. Okay. Now, I have the two most important points that I need to finish this job, and that is here and here. So now I grab my ruler, join these 2 points up with a straight line. That's why you don't need a ruler, you just need a straight edge. And job done. That is 90 degrees.